So here's a video that I should have made a long time ago. If you have a child who's about to turn 18 and about to get their first adult passport, do not do the application as a minor again. And when I say about to turn 18, I mean within a year. But let us go with 3 to 6 months. If your child is turning 18 in 3 to 6 months, do not apply for another minor passport for them. If you must do the application now, and I advise that you do it now because this type of application will take 3 to 5 months depending on where you live, and by that I mean whatever country you live in. By the time they receive the application and process it and send it to Jamaica, it may be 3 months already and the child turns 18. They will not issue a child's passport to someone who has just turned 18 or who will turn 18 in a month. What this will mean is they will send the application back, or rather, they will write back to you requesting signed application as an adult along with ID for the minor child, no adult child. That will slow the application process down. So what you do is, if you are doing the application even 3 months ahead of the birthday, go ahead and submit it as adult. 876 documents fill the application forms for you and tell you everything you need to know. As a document preparer, my job is to make the application process easier for you. We guide you to ensure that you do the application the correct way and that you send the correct documents. The next thing about doing a 5-year passport for a child who's about to turn 18 is there's going to be a hassle for them to do the same process again, mailing the application in and waiting 3 to 5 months when they do it again in 5 years. If they get a 10-year passport right now, they can renew it using the express service, which is a lot faster and is a lot less hassle. Plus, you are going to be paying almost the same as an adult passport for another 5-year passport when you could pay $20 more and get double the time on the passport. And I am Gail of 876 Documents with this word to the wise. If you need guidance on how to fill the application form properly, or you want us to do it for you, contact us. We offer consultation and application preparation. So we will fill the forms for you. We will tell you everything you need to know and we'll make sure it's all done correctly. Or you could contact us if you just want to ask us some questions. We will charge for our time, of course. We're a business. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.